Okay, pull out your phone for a second. Seriously, open your weather app. That little number, 42, feels instant, like your phone just knows. But that forecast is the final stop in a global relay race. Radar sweeps, satellites in orbit, balloons launched around the world, ships in the middle of the ocean, and a whole lot of government-funded infrastructure like undersea cables and supercomputers. Today we're going to follow the data from all over the world until it lands on your phone as your weather forecast. Ship observations. Out in the open ocean, where there aren't many weather stations, ships become roaming sensors, measuring pressure, wind, temperature, sometimes wave conditions, and reporting that data back to land stations. This matters more than many of us realize, because so many big systems, fronts, cyclones, hurricanes, feed off of the ocean. And because storms in the mid-latitudes move from west to east, knowing what the weather is doing over the Pacific Ocean is critical to forecasting the weather across the United States. Next, weather balloons. These are the atmosphere's vertical scan. A balloon carries instruments upward through layers of air, measuring temperature, humidity, pressure, and wind with altitude. This is how we learn what the sky is doing above our heads. Because the steering currents that guide storms aren't at street level, they're up there, and weather balloons can sense the middle layers of the atmosphere that satellites can't see. Satellites are like cameras in space that provide us the big picture. Cloud patterns, moisture plumes, wildfire smoke, storm top temperatures, and the shape of entire weather systems. Satellites are why we can track storms before they ever touch land, and drives home the fact that meteorology is truly global. The atmosphere doesn't care about political borders. Commercial airline flights are basically mobile weather probes. As planes climb, descend, and cruise, they collect wind and temperature data along routes that cross continents and oceans. And here's the wild part. That data actually feeds the forecast that tells you what weather is coming later today. If you want more breakdowns like this, storms, forecasting, and the science behind the wild skies above us, hit subscribe here on Untamed Skies. Until then, keep looking up.